ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum. Commissioner and Secretary Jangatan Pule Puti ke Sarkar Jilla Usayed Muhammad A Razi hagisngi Pyllait kalai potrek ujemang arajar pusau ula pentip batangi college Sarkar kin habban penyeso bak Williamson Sangma State University ke kum gajing betha jangka Sarkar Jilla lingbau menteri rangba ke Jilla konrak ke Sangma hagaji kran bekla pathai ku bor Razi ul ong bagi college bala penya jagi kin hun shimen kelawan penyeso bak Williamson Sangma State University laragis ngodon kam dekam don pat gajing tia jing khom yaki.
The Honorable CM decided that our strategy will be two-pronged. First, we will seek exemption for this year. And second, so because it is going to be a recurring issue, every time a new batch comes up for admission, we will be faced with similar issues. So, he directed the Education Department to expedite, to make the fully functional, make Captain Williamson Sangma State University fully functional. In that regard, we have already made the application to University Grants Commission for the 2F notification, which allows, which puts that university in the list of university recognized by UGC and which allows them to issue degrees. So that I am happy to inform that that application has already been made, and Honorable CM personally is following up with the appropriate authority, with Chairman UGC, with Honorable Union Minister for Education, and we are hopeful that we will receive the 2F notification very soon, and once we receive the 2F notification, we will start with the affiliation process of colleges which are now affiliated with NEHU. They can shift their affiliation to Captain Williamson Sangma State University. As of now, CUET is still mandatory for admission to other central universities, some state universities, some even private universities and deemed universities. So, students from Meghalaya who are seeking admission to other universities outside Meghalaya still have to take the CUET exam and have a CUET score. So, there is no, in case of Meghalaya for next year, we are very hopeful that our state university will be functional. So, there will be no requirement for seeking exemption for CUET anymore, because Captain Williamson Sangma State University affiliated colleges will not need a CUET score.
Hadim bagi Samla Pule jangka Jilla Meghalaya kila ur bagi laknyum. Hakabiyadai bagi jingla thermor naga jimpin long examine Central University entrance test dangshan nakaliang jong Commissioner and Secretary Gatna Pule Puthi ke Sarkar Jilla Usayed Muhammad A Razi la pentip baling ba gajing shimkia jong Menteri Rangba ke Jilla ukonra kongkel sangma la pelat igi Samla Pule penyakun igi Central University entrance test tang naga bentagi college kemudian hakani ke Jilla Meghalaya ki Samla Pule ki ba angnut berbeteng igi jing Pule chegi college kemudian chegi wepat ke Jilla jongkari India kin hab banyak khunbej igi Central University entrance test. Hagajing kran bekla pathai ke bor hakalai potrek ujemang arajar pusa urazi uletho ba usnam arajar pusan ke sarkar kan sekran bagi National Testing Agency ban penlong yak examine Central University entrance test ke biya bet ya ranti.
When CUET tests were held, for the UG tests were held, and there were several issues which were highlighted, which included issues like a lot of students from rural areas had not registered for the test. So a lot of students who had registered but not taken the test. Some of the students who had registered and not taken the full set, like the language and the optional subject and the general studies. So these issues, when they were highlighted and they were brought to the notice of Honorable CM, he immediately took cognizance of these issues, and he called a meeting with the Education Department, with NEHU officials and NTA in this regard. So the primary aim which Honorable CM directed was that we should ensure that the students who seeking admission into undergraduate courses in Meghalaya for the current academic year, they do not suffer. So a decision was taken by Honorable CM that we will seek exemption for all colleges affiliated to NEHU in Meghalaya for exemption from CUET and to take for colleges to take direct admissions, as was happening in the previous years. So, Honorable CM personally spoke to the Honorable Union Minister of Education, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, and which was followed by a DO letter to the Honorable Union Minister. And as you must be aware, and we are happy to inform that on account of the efforts, personal efforts made by Honorable CM, UGC yesterday has approved the exemption from CUET for college admissions for undergraduate courses for 2024-25. So, as of today, the admissions in colleges affiliated to NEHU in Meghalaya will happen as they were happening before for the current academic year. The CUET test scores are still valid for admissions to other central universities, other deemed universities, other private universities, and other state universities even which have opted for CUET based admissions. So, our students who are seeking admission outside the state will these CUET scores will be required for that. This exemption is only for admission to colleges in Meghalaya who are affiliated to NEHU. So, CUET score remains valid. Whoever has taken the test, their CUET score is still valid and will be required for anyone seeking admissions outside the state. We need to work on, because from the concerned directorates in the education department, the higher secondary school principals, and they were made aware well in time that CUET will be required for admission to colleges this year. So, and that awareness was given to the schools, to the principals, and I am given to understand that it was also passed on to the students. Now, the reason that students did not register, or after registering did not appear for CUET, we had a discussion with the Council of Principals here only. We called several principals and we had a detailed discussion, deliberation with them. And there were some issues which were highlighted, however, which were like they were not confident of taking the test, and there were issues regarding CUET being based on different syllabi and those issues. So, as from this year, we'll try to start the awareness process much earlier, have a more detailed awareness, and it will be targeted towards students who are desirous of seeking admission outside in the university which have CUET as mandatory at the undergraduate level.